Morning everyone, Emma here. What a beautiful morning. I don't know if you can hear, it's like so quiet this morning. All I can hear is birds, whitbirds. And look at that beautiful jacaranda in the back there. They're so pretty, flowering this time of year. That purple is so vibrant. So I'm moving some wood chip today down to some of the ditches next to our vegetable beds and our flower cut garden beds. So I'll show you those in a moment. So over here I've got one good old trusty wheelbarrow there, the old Kelso. I started yesterday putting some chip at the end of this ditch here. So I'm going to finish that one off this morning, and we did this one the other day. So to suppress weeds in there, and once it's all broken down, we'll be able to dig that and put it onto the beds as well, which will be amazing. And look at this banana here, the flowers opening up and all those little bananas. Amazing. There's still more to open up down the bottom here in this little flower, so that's very cool. And look at all the mangoes on. They're getting quite big now. Like, the scale's a bit hard to show you, but there's a lot, which is amazing. So gonna be looking forward to them. And here's my massive pile of wood chip. That's what I'm working on today. Have a great day, guys. Bye.